How to draw my melody step by step. Hey, what is going on everyone? So for the first step, we're going to want to begin by drawing a simple curved line towards the left hand side of the page. From the simple curved line, we're going to make the first shape, which will be the left shoulder. Connected to the shape that we just drew, we're going to draw a big curved C line. This curved C line will make the left side of the head. Next we'll draw the two big ears that are connected to the C line that we just drew together. Keep in mind that if I ever go too fast, then feel free to pause or rewind the video as you need to. These two ears that we draw will be very large, so we'll want to make sure that they're each very similar in size. Wonderful, now let's go ahead and draw the second ear connected to the one that we just drew together. So as of right now, we have a big opening. We're going to want to draw a curved line to close off this opening, and it will help us make the outline of the head. Now attached to the line that we just made, we're going to want to draw an additional curved line that will be going upwards and back down. This will help us make the outline of where the face will be. And if you're enjoying today's video so far, then be sure to give this a big like by hitting the thumbs up button right below. Similar to how we have a shape on the bottom left hand side of the head, let's go ahead and make an additional shape on the bottom right hand side of the head. This shape will be a little bit smaller than the one on the left hand side. Next, attached to the shape on the left hand side, let's go ahead and draw a long curved line that will become the left foot. Nice! Now attached to the left leg and foot that we just drew together, let's go ahead and draw the right foot and the right side of the body. On the left side of the body, let's draw a small curved line for the arm, as well as a small shape for the tail. Now last but not least, before we color in my melody, let's go ahead and draw detail on the inside of the face. We're going to want to go ahead and begin by drawing a small circle in the center for the outline of the nose. On the left and right hand side of the nose, let's go ahead and draw one additional circle on each side for the outline of the eyes. Right below the nose, let's go ahead and draw a curved line for the smile. Let's go ahead and fill in the eyes completely black by using our pen or Sharpie. Oh, or your pencil, my bad. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.